we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of NINGMEI Supreme Master Gaming PC Desktop. Consists of the following features. Optimal configuration match. AMD Ryzen 7, 5700X, 3.8 GHz, 4.6 GHz max boost, CPU processor, 1 TB NVMe SSD, up to 40x faster than traditional HDD. High-performance graphics cards. GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, 8GB GDDR6X graphics card, brand may vary, 32GB, 16x2, DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz gaming memory with heat spreader, Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Extreme heat dissipation and aesthetics. NINGMEI Soul Series case. The top of the chassis is equipped with an independent and removable magnetic dust screen to maximize heat dissipation and aesthetics. Native ATX 3.0. Built for the new generation of PCIe 5.0 graphics cards through the Intel ATX 3.0 specification, it can withstand up to 2x the peak power consumption of the entire machine. Built for gaming. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.